So you want to learn how to colour a scarecrow? No problem, keep watching because I'm going to show you how to do it. First things first, with my Huhu Honolulu Beat alcohol markers, I go from a lighter shade to the darker shade and just following the contours of the face where I think the light will hit and obviously where the shadows will hit. From the way that I'm colouring, my light source is on the left side of the scarecrow's face. As you can see here, I'm just adding a little bit more dimension to his face by adding more shadow to the stitching and just making his eyes look a little bit more sunken in as if the eyes have been pierced onto. So this part I'm colouring is where the burlap bag ends, because really this colouring tutorial focuses more of the fact that the scarecrow is made out of burlap, well the head is anyway. Then I create texture onto the rope by using lines to mimic these strings. Now following the contour of the scarecrow's face, you want to go in with a pencil and lightly draw vertical and horizontal lines. This will be a guide for this part where you want to go in and then add white dashes vertically and horizontally, and this will mimic the burlap, as well as highlighting the rope. Once the jelly roll is dry, you want to lightly dab over with your alcohol markers, following all the lights and shadows that hit the scarecrow's face and maybe adding even just a little bit more to really bring out that texture and dimension. Finally, I highlight the stitching and the nose, and that's the tutorial complete. Follow for part 2 so I can show you how I did this transformation.